Hello everyone, my name is Farah. I am a student of software engineering in UTM Space. So today I'm going to talk about computer history and evolution. So first, what is computer? Computer is an advanced electronic device that takes our raw data as an input and process it to become an output as per our requirement. Okay, so we are going to see how much does the computer evolve. We have 5 generations here from the first to the fifth. So the first one, we are using vacuum tube. The second, we are using transistor based. Third generation, integrated circuit based. Fourth generation, VLSI microprocessor based. Fifth generation, ULSI microprocessor based. Okay, so this is the image on how the revolution takes place based on the previous slide. Okay, next, the first generation. It based on how do you see the first generation takes up a lot of space. It's very big. We are using vacuum tube based technology and it's very unreliable. It's very fragile. And it's only support machine language only. It is very costly because you need to set up the whole room just to set up the computer. And it generates a lot of heat. Not just that, it's a low input and it's a low output device. It's a huge in size and non-portable, so it's not easy. And it does consume a lot of electricity. So how does it compare to the second generation? It's become a bit smaller, but still big in size. So how does it evolve? It uses transistor replacing the vacuum tube. It is more reliable as it's not as fragile as vacuum tube. It is smaller in size, generate less heat, which means consume less electricity. It is faster and supported machine and assembly language. So next, the third generation. As you can see the woman inside, the computer become a bit smaller, but still big. Yeah, correct. So that is how the computer look like in the third generation, and it is using ICUs, which is integrated circuit. So it is more reliable in comparison to the previous generation. It is smaller in size, generated less heat, faster, lesser maintenance, consume lesser electricity, and support high-level language such as C++ and database. So we are start using that over here, third generation, in 1965. Okay, and then the fourth generation, the PC, the big PC one. Okay, the fourth generation is very cheap. It's very cheap quite a time, but compared to the first generation, is portable and reliable. Very small size concept of internet was introduced in this generation and computers become easily available. It is great for developments in the fields of networks. We are using the VLSI technology microprocessor based. Okay, next, the fifth generation, the generation that we are in right now. As you can see the image, we are using the ULSI technology. It is the start of the development of the AI and also the natural language processing. It advanced in parallel processing in superconductor technology. It is more user-friendly interface with multimedia features. It does display more things as we want, and its ability of very powerful and compact computers at cheaper rates. You can actually get a laptop at a very cheap price based on your requirement. It's up to you. It's very affordable nowadays. Okay, so this is the PC before. How much does it evolve? From here onto this small, cute, lighting PC. And to the iPad, very portable. And to the smartphone, we can do anything that we want. Okay, so how does it we use it? Banking, education, business, marketing, healthcare, engineering design, auditory, and so on. Okay, so what's coming up next? Well, I don't know. I don't have plan for that yet, but yeah. The world's evolve and sure something else will come up next. So okay, well that's all. A very short story for me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day everyone.